In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello account. Trello is a popular tool for organizing tasks, projects, and ideas. And before you can start using it, you'll need a free account. I'll walk you through the entire sign-up process step by step, and you can follow along on your own computer. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or whichever browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type google.com and press enter to go to Google's homepage. Once you're there, click on the search box and type Trello sign up, then press enter. This is an easy way to get directly to the official Trello registration page without needing to remember any specific URL. On the search results page, look for the result that clearly mentions creating a Trello account or signing up for Trello. It's usually one of the first results and will mention Trello and Atlassian, the company that owns Trello. Click on that link to open the sign up page. Now you should see the Trello sign up form. The main option you'll notice is a field where you can enter your email address. If you prefer to sign up with an email and a verification code, click into that email field and carefully type in the email address you want to use for your Trello account. Make sure it's an address you can access right now, because Trello will send you a code or link to verify it. Once you've entered your email, click the sign up button on the page. Then go to your email inbox, find the message from Trello or Atlassian, and follow the instructions there to verify your account, usually by entering the code or clicking a confirmation link. If you want an even faster sign-up process, you can use one of the single sign-on options instead of typing your email manually. On the same sign-up page, you'll see buttons for Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Slack. To use one of these, simply click, for example, on the Google button, then select the Google account you want to connect. The form will be filled in automatically, and your Trello account will be created using that login. The same approach works if you choose Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Just make sure you pick an account you plan to keep using, since this will be how you log into Trello in the future. Once that's done, your Trello account is created, and you're ready to start organizing your boards and tasks.